You'll like your new school, Link's mom said, as his new school bus pulled up ahead.
We love reading these mindset magic books with our kids. It's all about teaching them emotional intelligence, confidence, and just life lessons that are really relatable to them.
Here's a magic chant for you. It'll make you calm and patient too. You should try it. Do you know why? It feels great to say, go away, anger. Bye-bye.
Green, white, you're my case.
You are my goal.
You're my goal. Now you know.
Now I am calm
and control.
All right.
My kids absolutely love these books, and we love that it's teaching them to have a growth mindset at such a young age. The animations are colorful, it's written really well, and they really connect with the characters in these books as well.
And it's so cool. These books are just the best. And this one, and this one, and this one.